The 5085 Hub Oil Seal Remover was created to avoid damaging bearings and hubs when removing oil seals, like pry bars, screwdrivers, or a punch and hammer can do. An extra long 28-inch handle gives you great leverage to pry seals out without damaging anything. The unique pulling head design makes seal removal quick and easy for seals up to 4.5-inch inner diameter. For larger seals, 4 5/8-inch inner diameter and larger, we offer a second puller head, 60053, that fits on the same handle. To use, slide the wedge end of the head behind the seal and pull smoothly to remove the seal in one piece. To install a new bearing cup, we have the 7180 Universal Bearing Cup Installer. The installer was designed to make bearing cup installations fast and easy. Its universal design works with a wide range of bearing sizes, from 3 5/8-inch up to 6.5-inch outer diameter bearing cups, replacing as many as 30 individual bearing cup drivers. The precision-engineered installer legs ensure accurate installations, eliminating damage to bearings, seals, or surrounding components. Locking jaws securely grip bearing cups for even installation. To use, adjust the jaws to the bearing cup, set it in the bore, and drive the bearing cup in with hammer strikes on the back of the installer. So you can work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.